If you're a cat owner, you know how important it is to keep the litter box clean, not just for your cat's comfort, but also to keep your home smelling fresh. But let's be honest, scooping every day is a chore nobody enjoys. That's where automatic cat litter boxes come in, saving you time and effort by taking care of waste disposal for you. The problem? There are tons of models out there, each claiming to be the best. But which one is really worth your money? That's why we've put together this list of the best automatic litter boxes, breaking down their features, how often you'll need to empty them, whether they work for large, medium, or small cats, and what kind of technology they use. We'll also throw in some real-world experiences from pet owners, including myself, so you can make the best choice. All the product links are in the description below, so feel free to check them out if you find the perfect one for your cat. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, the Petkit PuraMax 2, and this is the one I personally own. After months of testing, I can say it's an absolute game changer. This model has a huge capacity, which means less frequent emptying, and it's great for multi-cat households or bigger cats who like a little extra space. The self-cleaning cycle kicks in right after your cat leaves, sweeping waste into a sealed compartment with a built-in deodorizer that keeps things fresh. And get this, it connects to an app where you can monitor waste levels, schedule cleaning cycles, and even track your cat's bathroom habits. Yep, you'll know exactly how many times Mr. Whiskers does his business. The best part? It's whisper quiet, so even the most skittish cats won't be freaked out. Now, fair warning, this thing is big, so make sure you have enough space for it. But if you're looking for convenience, reliability, and top-notch odor control, this one's a winner. Next, we have the Neakasa M1. And if you've got a larger cat or multiple furry troublemakers, you'll love this one. It has an extra-large waste drawer, meaning you can go up to 14 days without emptying it. Yes, you heard that right, 2 whole weeks of no scooping. The self-cleaning mechanism is super quiet, and the design helps prevent litter from sticking to your cat's paws, so you won't find tiny litter pebbles all over your floor. A friend of mine has a huge Maine Coon, and he swears this is the only litter box his cat actually fits in comfortably. The mobile app lets you control everything remotely, though some users mention it could be a little more responsive. Still, with its smart features, roomy interior, and excellent odor control, this one's a strong contender. It also has a waste level sensor, so it knows when the drawer is full and notifies you in real time. Moving on to the MeoWant SC02, which looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. This one is packed with smart sensors, so it detects when your cat is inside and won't start cleaning until they're safely out. Because let's be real, no cat wants to be caught mid-business by a moving machine. It's best for medium-sized cats. And while the waste drawer isn't as big as some of the others, it still gives you a solid 5 to 7 days before needing to be emptied. The built-in odor eliminator helps keep things fresh, though it's not as strong as some of the higher-end models. A neighbor of mine grabbed this one from our local pet store and says it's been a lifesaver, but if you have multiple cats, the waste drawer can fill up pretty fast. The app offers some smart tracking features, but the setup can take a little time if you're not tech-savvy. Now let's talk about the Petkit PuraBot Max Pro, because this one takes cleanliness to another level. It has UV sterilization, which kills bacteria and keeps things ultra-hygienic, making it perfect for anyone who's super serious about odor control. The smart app integration lets you monitor and adjust settings from anywhere, and it's great for medium and large cats. It's also one of the more stylish models, blending seamlessly into modern homes. A friend of mine switched to this one recently and swears by it, though he did mention that it takes up quite a bit of space. But if you want high-tech cleaning power and a sleek design, this is one of the best options out there. It also features an intelligent waste compression system, meaning it can store more waste before needing to be emptied. Up next, the PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro, and this one's a bit different. Instead of using regular clumping litter, it uses crystal litter, which absorbs moisture and controls odors way more efficiently. That means you won't be dealing with clumps at all, and the disposable trays only need to be replaced every 3 to 4 weeks for one cat. It's best for small and medium cats, and while the crystal litter does an amazing job of reducing smells, some cats take a little time to get used to the texture. But if you want the absolute lowest maintenance option, this is hands down the easiest one to own. It doesn't have an app, but it does have a tracking system that tells you when it's time to change the tray. The Zodio NB Box Z122 is a great budget-friendly choice for small to medium cats. It has a self-cleaning cycle and a sealed waste compartment that keeps odors locked in. The waste drawer needs to be emptied about once a week, and its compact size makes it perfect for apartments or smaller spaces. It's not the most high-tech model, but if you want something simple that does the job without breaking the bank, this is a great pick. The anti-stick interior also makes it super easy to clean even if your cat is on the messier side. The PetPivot AS15 is for those cats who love their privacy. It has a fully enclosed design which not only helps with odor control but also keeps litter from tracking all over your floor. One cool feature? It has a built-in scale that weighs your cat every time they enter, so you can keep an eye on their health. It's great for medium to large cats, and the waste drawer lasts around 8 to 10 days before needing to be emptied. Some users mention it takes up a fair amount of space, but the smart touchscreen controls make it easy to use, and the anti-stick coating prevents waste from building up inside. The smart app also provides detailed reports on your cat's usage, which is useful for tracking health issues. For those who want the ultimate high-end experience, the Petkit PuraBot Ultra is a premium choice with AI-powered waste detection and an ultra-efficient odor filtration system. The self-cleaning process is incredibly thorough, making it one of the best for keeping your home fresh. It's suitable for medium and large cats, and the waste drawer lasts around 9 to 12 days before needing to be emptied. A friend of mine says this is by far the best litter box he's ever owned, but it does come with a higher price tag. If you want the absolute best in automation and hygiene, this is the one to go for. It even includes motion tracking so you can see how often your cat is using it. Finally, the DJ Duck DK Cat Litter Box Z003 is a great entry-level option. It's simple, effective, and gets the job done without all the bells and whistles. It works well for small to medium cats, has a quiet cleaning cycle, and the waste drawer needs emptying every 5 to 7 days. If you're looking for an affordable automatic litter box to test the waters, this is a solid starting point. It's lightweight, easy to move, and great for first-time users. So, how do you choose? If you want the most advanced smart features, the Petkit PuraMax 2, PuraBot Max Pro, or PuraBot Ultra are fantastic choices. For larger cats or multi-cat households, the Neakasa M1 and PetPivot AS15 give plenty of space. If you want a truly hands-off, low-maintenance option, the PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro is hard to beat. If you're on a budget but still want solid performance, the Zodio NB Box Z122 and DJ Duck DK Cat Litter Box 003 are great picks. And if you want a mix of affordability and smart features, the MeoWant SC02 is a great middle ground option. No matter which one you choose, an automatic litter box will make your life easier and your home fresher. Check the links in the description to grab the best one for your needs. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more pet-friendly recommendations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.